Online privacy is rare, your activity is tracked everywhere, but some browsers offer true anonymity and hardcore anti-tracking. Today, we reveal the top 10 free browsers for dark web level security. These browsers encrypt your traffic, block trackers, and put you in control. Let's get started. Tor Browser is the go-to choice for online anonymity. It's free, open source, and trusted by privacy-focused users worldwide. Tor uses onion routing, encrypting your traffic in layers and bouncing it through multiple servers. Each server removes a layer of encryption, keeping your identity hidden. No single point knows both your origin and destination, making tracking extremely difficult. It's effective for bypassing censorship and accessing restricted content. Tor also lets you visit .onion sites on the dark web. The main downside is speed. Tor is much slower than regular browsers. It's best for situations where privacy is more important than performance. Tor is run by a nonprofit with no ads or data selling. In short, Tor Browser is a powerful free tool for anyone who needs true online anonymity. Brave is a privacy-focused browser built on Chromium, making it familiar for Chrome users and compatible with Chrome extensions. Its standout feature is Brave Shields, a built-in ad and tracker blocker that's enabled by default. It blocks third-party ads, trackers, cookies, and scripts automatically, protecting your privacy and speeding up page loads. Brave loads pages faster than most browsers by cutting out unnecessary content. You can view a privacy dashboard to see what's being blocked on each site. Shields can be toggled per site for flexibility. Brave also offers a private window with Tor for extra anonymity, though it's not as secure as the full Tor browser. Brave combines strong privacy features and speed in a user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for everyday secure browsing. Epic Privacy Browser is built for maximum privacy, always on. The entire browser operates in private mode by default. Every time you close Epic, it deletes your browsing history, cookies, cache, and tracker data. No data is left behind for websites to track you. Privacy mode is always enabled, no need to remember to turn it on. Epic includes a built-in encrypted proxy to hide your IP address. With one click, your browser traffic is routed through Epic's proxy for extra anonymity. It blocks browser fingerprinting to prevent advanced tracking. The trade-off? Limited flexibility and extension support. You can't install most Chrome extensions for security reasons. Epic is ideal for users who want strong privacy with zero setup. Mozilla Firefox is a top choice for privacy-focused browsing. Developed by the nonprofit Mozilla Foundation, Firefox isn't driven by ad revenue or data collection. Enhanced tracking protection is on by default, blocking trackers, cookies, fingerprinters, and crypto miners. Privacy settings are highly customizable, with standard, strict, and custom modes. Firefox supports a wide range of privacy add-ons like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and NoScript. These tools let you layer extra protection on top of Firefox's strong defaults. Firefox is open source, so anyone can inspect and verify its code. With strong default protections, open source transparency, and powerful customization, Firefox is ideal for privacy-conscious users. Ungoogled Chromium is a privacy-focused browser based on open source Chromium, but with all Google services and data collection removed. It eliminates Google integration, telemetry, and background connections, giving you a clean, de-Googled browsing experience. You still get Chromium's speed, performance, and compatibility. It supports the Chrome Web Store, so you can install your favorite extensions. Installation and updates are manual, so it's best for users comfortable managing their own software. If you want Chrome's features without Google's tracking, and don't mind a hands-on setup, Ungoogled Chromium is a strong choice. Waterfox is a privacy-focused browser based on Firefox, designed for users who want more control and zero data collection. Unlike Firefox, Waterfox completely removes telemetry, so no usage data is collected or sent anywhere. This makes it ideal for users who want absolute privacy. Waterfox also supports legacy Firefox add-ons, letting you use classic extensions no longer available in Firefox. It's lightweight, fast, and strips out extra features like Pocket and sponsored content for a cleaner experience. Waterfox gives you deep customization and full control over your browsing. If you want a fast, private, and customizable browser with no telemetry, Waterfox is a top choice. SRware Iron is a privacy-focused browser based on Chromium, designed to remove Google's tracking and data collection. The German company behind Iron strips out features that send data to Google, like installation IDs, search suggestions, and error reporting. You can download and install Iron just like any other browser. It looks and feels almost identical to Chrome, supports Chrome extensions, and uses the same fast blink engine. The main difference is that Google integrations are removed for better privacy. There's no learning curve. If you know Chrome, you know Iron. Websites work as expected, and you can easily import your bookmarks and passwords. It doesn't aggressively block sites. It just cuts Google's data collection. SRware Iron is a simple privacy upgrade for Chrome users who want less Google tracking. Komodo Dragon is a Chromium-based browser focused on security. Developed by cybersecurity experts at Komodo Group, it adds multiple layers of protection. Features include built-in malware and virus scanning, website safety checks, and blocking of malicious sites. It validates SSL certificates and enforces secure HTTPS connections. Komodo's secure DNS service is integrated for safer, faster browsing. The browser blocks cookies, trackers, and web spies, and includes a media downloader. You get a familiar Chromium interface and access to Chrome extensions. Komodo Dragon is ideal if you want strong, active protection against online threats. LibreWolf is a security-hardened browser based on the latest Firefox, designed for maximum privacy with zero setup required. It removes all telemetry and data collection and comes pre-configured with strict privacy settings. Enhanced tracking protection is set to the highest level by default. uBlock Origin is pre-installed for ad, tracker, and malware blocking. LibreWolf automatically wipes cookies, history, and site data every time you close the browser. This prevents trackers from building a profile and blocks cross-session tracking. It resists browser fingerprinting and disables features like WebGL and WebRTC to protect your identity and IP address. All advanced privacy settings are applied by default, no manual tweaking needed. LibreWolf is for users who want Firefox's power with expert-level privacy right out of the box. For modern, aggressive, and automatic protection, LibreWolf is your go-to browser. Mullvad Browser is a privacy-focused browser developed by the Tor project and Mullvad VPN. It uses Tor Browser's anti-fingerprinting technology, but is designed for use with a VPN instead of the Tor network. Mullvad Browser standardizes your browser fingerprint, making all users appear identical online. It always runs in private browsing mode and deletes all cookies, history, and site data after each session. The browser comes with uBlock Origin pre-installed to block ads and trackers. It does not use the Tor network, but works with any trustworthy VPN, preferably Mullvad VPN. Mullvad Browser hides your fingerprint, while your VPN hides your IP address. It's a top choice for users who want strong privacy and anti-tracking protection without using the Tor network. Here are 10 free browsers designed to protect your privacy. For maximum anonymity, choose Tor Browser. For speed and privacy, Brave is a great option. For advanced customization, try Firefox, LibreWolf, or Mullvad Browser. Each browser offers different strengths: anonymity, speed, or customization. Choose based on your needs: security, convenience, or total privacy. The best browser is the one that fits your privacy goals. Decide what matters most to you and pick accordingly. Choose wisely and browse safely. Thanks for watching.